Wow, look at this incredible view. The mountains are so majestic. I have to get a photo. Look at those incredible mountains. So majestic and untouched. These tracks are fresh, about 4 inches wide. Wow, look at the size of this root ball. It's incredible how deep the roots go. Almost 0 degrees. Better bundle up. Stacking these poles for a raised bed. Almost there. Coordinates confirmed. Now for the communicator. InReach is active and pocketed. Seasoning the ribs with garlic and salt, and a little pepper for heat. She adds ugali corn maize powder to the boiling soup. Adding water to the dough now. Stirring it up. Steaming nicely.
Ouch, this bench is killing my back. Let's see how it's doing. Oh, it's risen perfectly, so airy. There we go, perfectly charred. All right, let's do this. Time to hit the trail. Whoa, look! Wolf tracks. They're huge and really fresh. Look, a small hole, a vole dove in here. So cool to find. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more adventures. Turning the camera off now. See you next time.